Hey guys, so today we're going to be spying on a husky. This is my dog.
Yeah, this is German Shepherd.
He made the yard messy too.
And he's muddy. So he's run in the mud.
Come on. Let's go. Oh crap, you just fell down. So, it's up here.
Okay.
I should be up here. And I'm gonna get this ball. Okay, that scared me. I'm gonna get this ball, and it's my ball too, isn't it, Cole? Isn't that my ball up there? And I don't know how it got up there. Could have been a dog. My goodness. And there is a dog that's loose up there. It's really. Oh crap. Oh crap, get down, get down, get down. Get down. Oh shoot. Hold the camera, and I'm gonna run and get the ball up there. Get right here. Get right here. What the heck? Hurry up. Get right here.
What? We're just spying on a dog.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. Okay. End the video.